Hello, welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at 2014 Toyota Sienna LE. This is a 7-passenger all-wheel drive minivan in blue, driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on this Sienna includes 3M on the front bumper and hood, roof rails, and power sliding doors. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button, as well as our power sliding door buttons, which we will get to in just a moment. We're going to press that unlock button once for the driver's side and take a look in the front first. This Sienna comes with heated mirrors. Up top, you have your power windows and locks. Down below, we have some storage space that runs along the entire door. Next to the door, you'll find your power adjustable side mirrors. You also have this nice little storage compartment that folds out. Now, this Sienna comes equipped with all-weather mats and gray fabric seating. On the bottom, you have your power seating adjustment buttons. We have our key here. We're going to start this Sienna up. As always, we're going to take a look at the steering wheel features first. Now, on the left side, you have your audio controls. You have this mode button in the center here to cycle through your different audio options. On the right side, you have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. And behind the steering wheel, you will find your cruise control. If we look in the odometer, you can see the Sienna has 87,961 kilometers on it. Moving on to our display right up top. If we go into reverse, you do have a little backup camera. You can also navigate through this screen by pressing this info button on the bottom. Down below that is your entertainment display. You have your standard AM and FM options. You can also connect your phone through Bluetooth by pressing this auxiliary button there. Down below that is your climate control system. It is a tri-zone, so you can adjust the temperature for yourself. The passenger next to you can do so as well, and you also have this button in the center here for the rear passengers. Down below that, we can press this and 2 cup holders will slide out. You can put that back in. This is where you'll also find your driver and passenger heated seats, 12-volt outlet. You have a little storage compartment or shelf right in the center here. And moving down below that, you will find your USB and auxiliary, 12-volt outlet, and you have even more storage space on the bottom. To access the back, it's as easy as holding that left button on our key fob, and that power sliding door will open for us nice and easy. Of course, we're continuing with the gray seating. If we move a little closer, behind the front passenger and driver seats, you have these little extra storage compartments. Now, these seats do fold down. It's as easy as just pulling on this little handle. We can slide them forward, giving you access to your third row seating. Now, to access the cargo of this Sienna, it's as easy as just pressing this little button underneath that Sienna emblem there. That opens up. You can see even with the third row seating, you still have plenty of storage space behind. You have a little storage compartment on the left side. You also have this cargo mat in the back. Now, the third row seating does fold down. All we got to do is just pull on this little handle and the seats go folding down, giving you that extra bit of storage space. Taking the last look at our Toyota Sienna, once again, some of those great interior features include your 7-passenger capacity seating, backup camera, and driver and passenger heated seats. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.